Welcome to this MCQ practice session on Chapter 2 of Punishments under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. In this session, we will revise important provisions relating to the kinds of punishments, commutation of sentences, imprisonment, fines, default imprisonment, solitary confinement, and enhanced punishment for repeat offenders. Listen carefully to each question, choose the correct option, and then check the answer. Let us begin. Question 1. Chapter 2 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 deals with A. General exceptions, B. Punishments, C. Abatement, D. Attempt. The correct answer is B. Punishments. Question 2. Which section of the BNS enumerates the kinds of punishments? A. Section 3, B. Section 4, C. Section 5, D. Section 8. The correct answer is B. Section 4. Question 3. How many kinds of punishments are recognized under Section 4 of the BNS? A. 5, B. 6, C. 7, D. 8. The correct answer is B. 6. Question 4. Which of the following is not a punishment under the BNS? A. Death, B. Forfeiture of property, C. Transportation, D. Community service. The correct answer is C. Transportation. Question 5. The highest form of punishment under the BNS is A. Life imprisonment, B. Rigorous imprisonment, C. Death, D. Solitary confinement. The correct answer is C. Death. Question 6. The Supreme Court held that the death penalty should be awarded only in the rarest of rare cases in A. Maru Ram vs. Union of India, B. Bachan Singh vs. State of Punjab, C. Sunil Batra vs. Delhi Administration, D. Panduram vs. State of Hyderabad. The correct answer is B. Bachan Singh vs. State of Punjab. Question 7. Life imprisonment ordinarily means imprisonment for A. 14 years, B. 20 years, C. The remainder of the convict's natural life, D. 10 years. The correct answer is C. The remainder of the convict's natural life. Question 8. Rigorous imprisonment involves A. Solitary confinement, B. Hard labor, C. Fine only, D. Community service. The correct answer is B. Hard labor. Question 9. Which punishment is generally awarded for less serious offences? A. Death, B. Rigorous imprisonment, C. Simple imprisonment, D. Forfeiture of property. The correct answer is C. Simple imprisonment. Question 10. Forfeiture of property means A. Destruction of property, B. Confiscation of property where authorized by law, C. Sale of property by the accused, D. Transfer of property to the victim. The correct answer is B. Confiscation of property where authorized by law. Question 11. Community service under the BNS is A. A monetary punishment, B. A reformative punishment involving useful work for society, C. A form of rigorous imprisonment, D. A police punishment. The correct answer is B. A reformative punishment involving useful work for society. Question 12. Which of the following is an example of community service? A. Cleaning public places, B. Plantation drives, C. Assisting public institutions, D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Question 13. The objectives of punishment include A. Retribution, B. Deterrence, C. Reformation, D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Question 14. Which theory of punishment focuses on discouraging future crimes? A. Retribution, B. Deterrence, C. Reformation, D. Compensation. The correct answer is B. Deterrence. Question 15. Section 5 of the BNS deals with A. Fine, B. Solitary confinement, C. Commutation of sentence, D. Enhanced punishment. The correct answer is C. Commutation of sentence. Question 16. The appropriate government may commute a sentence A. Only with the offender's consent, B. Without the offender's consent, C. Only with court permission, D. Only in death sentence cases. The correct answer is B. Without the offender's consent. Question 17. In calculating fractions of terms of punishment, life imprisonment is reckoned as A. 14 years, B. 20 years, C. 25 years, D. natural life. The correct answer is B. 20 years. Question 18. Under Section 7, imprisonment may be A. Wholly rigorous, B. Wholly simple, C. Partly rigorous and partly simple, D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Question 19. Where no maximum amount of fine is prescribed, the fine A. is limited to 10,000 rupees, B. is unlimited but shall not be excessive, C. cannot exceed 1 year's income, D. must be nominal. The correct answer is B. It is unlimited but shall not be excessive. Question 20. Imprisonment in default of payment of fine is A. a substitute for the fine, B. in addition to any other imprisonment imposed, C. always rigorous, D. always for 1 year. The correct answer is B. in addition to any other imprisonment imposed. Question 21. The maximum imprisonment in default of payment of fine shall not exceed A. 1/2 of the maximum imprisonment for the offence, B. 1/3 of the maximum imprisonment, C. 1/4 of the maximum imprisonment, D. the full maximum imprisonment. The correct answer is C. 1/4 of the maximum imprisonment. Question 22. Imprisonment in default of payment of fine or community service may be A. of any description authorized for the offence, B. death, C. life imprisonment only, D. community service only. The correct answer is A. of any description authorized for the offence. Question 23. If the offence is punishable with fine or community service only, imprisonment in default shall be A. rigorous, B. simple, C. solitary, D. life imprisonment. The correct answer is B. simple imprisonment. Question 24. If the fine does not exceed 5,000 rupees, the maximum imprisonment in default is A. 1 month, B. 2 months, C. 4 months, D. 6 months. The correct answer is B. 2 months. Question 25. If the fine does not exceed 10,000 rupees, the maximum imprisonment in default is A. 2 months, B. 3 months, C. 4 months, D. 1 year. The correct answer is C. 4 months. Question 26. In any other case of fine or community service, the maximum imprisonment in default is A. 6 months, B. 1 year, C. 2 years, D. 3 years. The correct answer is B. 1 year. Question 27. Imprisonment imposed in default of payment of fine terminates when A. half the fine is paid, B. the fine is paid or levied by process of law, C. the offender apologizes, D. 6 months have elapsed. The correct answer is B. when the fine is paid or levied by process of law. Question 28. The unpaid fine may generally be levied within A. 3 years, B. 5 years, C. 6 years, D. 10 years. The correct answer is C. 6 years. Question 29. The death of the offender A. automatically extinguishes the liability to pay the fine, B. does not discharge property legally liable for his debts, C. cancels the sentence entirely, D. prevents recovery proceedings. The correct answer is B. It does not discharge property legally liable for his debts. Question 30. Section 9 deals with A. solitary confinement, B. limit of punishment of an offence made up of several offences, C. commutation, D. enhanced punishment. The correct answer is B. limit of punishment of an offence made up of several offences. Question 31. A person shall not ordinarily be punished separately for each part of an offence. A. unless expressly provided by law, B. in every case, C. only in murder cases, D. only if the victim is the same. The correct answer is A. unless expressly provided by law. Question 32. The illustration of 50 blows with a stick shows that the offender is liable for A. 50 punishments, B. 1 punishment for the whole beating, C. no punishment, D. only a fine. The correct answer is B. 1 punishment for the whole beating. Question 33. Section 10 applies where A. the accused is acquitted, B. it is doubtful of which of several offences the accused is guilty, C. the offence is compoundable, D. the offender is a juvenile. The correct answer is B. where it is doubtful of which of several offences the accused is guilty. Question 34. In case of doubt regarding the offence committed, The offender is punished for A. The offense carrying the highest punishment. B. The offense carrying the lowest punishment. C. Any offense chosen by the prosecution. D. The offense chosen by the victim. The correct answer is B. The offense carrying the lowest punishment. Question 35. Solitary confinement may be imposed only when the offender is sentenced to A. Simple imprisonment. B. Rigorous imprisonment. C. Fine. D. Community service. The correct answer is B. Rigorous imprisonment. Question 36. The maximum total period of solitary confinement under Section 11 is A. 1 month. B. 2 months. C. 3 months. D. 6 months. The correct answer is C. 3 months. Question 37. If imprisonment does not exceed 6 months, solitary confinement may extend up to A. 15 days. B. 1 month. C. 2 months. D. 3 months. The correct answer is B. 1 month. Question 38. Under Section 12, solitary confinement shall not exceed A. 7 days at a time. B. 10 days at a time. C. 14 days at a time. D. 1 month at a time. The correct answer is C. 14 days at a time. Question 39. Enhanced punishment after previous conviction is provided under A. Section 11. B. Section 12. C. Section 13. D. Section 8. The correct answer is C. Section 13. Question 40. A repeat offender covered by Section 13 may be punished with A. Fine only. B. Community service only. C. Imprisonment for life or imprisonment up to 10 years. D. Death in every case. The correct answer is C. Imprisonment for life or imprisonment up to 10 years. Thank you for watching.